Remember back in the day when we would wear just one eyeshadow? Why did we stop? If you're just starting out, I would advise you to get a skin tone palette and a rainbow palette. Anyone that crosses your eye. I'm going to show you how you can rock any eye color with 2 eyeshadows. Start with a bronzer or a cooled tone eyeshadow and a fluffy brush. We're going to blend this on the outer corner and into the crease. Now take any color, I mean any color. Since we're headed into Valentine's Day, I'm going to take this pink and I'm patting. I'm going to pat this on the lid first and then start to bring it up to the crease. We're also placing those shadows on the bottom of the eye. Liner, some lashes, and a nude lip, and you are all set. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Be sure to save this video and share it with somebody. Bye.
Get plenty things kinda light, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck is chess games. Can shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm more purple rain prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment I stay expecting it. The pessimist gold medalist flush the magnum just so they not collecting my specimens down. The way she with Poppy, man, you would think she's a veteran or remembrance. Cleaning lady, sweep the room daily for all the evidence of everything I ever did. Do they have a pool there? Do they have a gym there? You used to do skincare, but now you do swimwear. Your ex-roommate got a condo that's downtown, but she got no furniture in her crib. I've been there. Checkmate, even though you hate that I even check, I still get an E for effort. Only time I play the back and forth is a Leah record. If I let you talk first and nobody is speaking second. Fluent in passive aggression, that's why you acting dismissive. Hearing me out for once will require you actually listen. Damn. The boy is back, I never turn my back. I just slapped him, so now all that they see is my back. Say that damn Maybach bands with me in the back. When I was an actor, I still couldn't clean on my act. Whenever I tell the truth, you feel like you being attacked. And that come with being attached, so how about we leave it at that?
If you're gonna waste your time,
home.